Upon implementing Innware 200, which will seamlessly integrate with your existing Sage 200 system, the user will have access to some new menu options. I'm going to cover these off in more details on the configuration videos. The next thing that we need to do is work with a standard stock file. And after implementing Innware, I will have access as a user to a new Innware tab on my standard Sage 200 screen. On that additional tab, this is where we will define the rules with how Innware will interact with the individual product codes. I have the ability to set up multiple barcodes, with each one of these barcodes defining and dictating the pack size or the units of measure. In this particular instance here, this will signify upon scanning this barcode that there is 8 within the pack. And upon scanning this barcode, it will signify to the system that there is an individual piece within the pack. I have the ability to set whether I can scan the barcode as a user, and I can also define if this is a batch, serial, or non-tracked item. I can define pack sizes, which works in conjunction with our total capacity against the bin location. These are defined within the settings. I can set a weight for this particular stock item. I can set the default number of cartons of pallets. I can set the width, the length, and the height of this particular pack. We also have the ability to create some custom fields should you require the ability to capture additional information. And should this be an inventory item that is required to be automatically replenished, I can define the rules with regards to the minimum stock level in the pick location and can define the automatic replenish to quantity for that pick location, as well as nominate a particular user to perform the replenishment activity if this is required. We can force the replenishment of this inventory item on a specific date. The user will also have access to a quick look with regards to the on-order, physical quantity, and what has been sold and what is coming in on purchase order.